Capricorn, hi there, hope you're doing great. Let's do your reading for the month of August 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedarvella. Yo, that was actually very fast. And you got 7 of Pentacles. Very nice way to start the reading. It's all about your finances and growth of finances, because Pentacles is money, a solid money, and you can see the growth. It is compounding, and I feel like you have definitely planted your seed with regards to finances, and eventually over time it's going to grow very fast and very rapidly, and it's going to compound. Okay, is what I'm seeing. And 7 of Pentacles, you're reaping the rewards for it in the month of August. And it's not only in August, during other months, September, October, November, December, next year, it's gonna compound. You can see 7, it's gonna compound. And for you, I can see from 7 months from now, you can see you have grown a lot. You can just notice from 7 months from now, if you look back, then you can see you have grown a lot with regards to finances also. First card is the strongest card. Getting Pentacles energy is really good. Okay. Chariot, very nice way. You're moving. Chariot is movement. You can see the vehicle. Chariot is a vehicle, and the vehicle of Chariot represents movement, going forward to wherever you want to go, and using that vehicle to move forward. And I feel like you have the power of the Chariot. You have that vehicle. And you can see 7 of Pentacles is growth of finances. It's compounding, and you're still moving, you're still thriving to achieve more and go after that, whatever you wish for, whatever your dream and desire you have in life. You can see the hair, it is flowing around here and there. So you're just running and thriving to get there, to make your dreams come true. And you can see there is another pentacle in his chest. So spirit guides and the universe is conspiring you to achieve whatever you want. And if you put your mind to it, that is the crescent moon. If you put your mind to anything you want, you will get it. This is a pentacle, solid money. You can see it is in the chest also. So you're believing in yourself, because the pentacle is right in his chest of this horse. He's believing that it's gonna come to him. It is already there, very close to him, in his heart. And being in the heart represents you're believing it. And crescent moon right in his forehead represents using your mind at your highest ability. So that's very good. I can see day and night you're thinking a lot about this, because you can see there is sun over here and there is moon right in his forehead. That represents you're thinking day and night about this a lot with regards to your money. You want to make money, you want to grow your finances, and you're thinking a lot every day how to make it better. That is very good thing. Not a bad card to start the reading at all. And Father of Wands, another very good card. Father of Wands is King of Wands. Father is nothing but the king. Wands is the energy, the strength, and you have a lot of strength to move forward. Chariot next to Father of Wands, you thrive, still you won't feel weak, or you won't run out of glucose. You have a lot of energy, and it seems to be like how much hard you run, how much fast you run, you won't feel drained. You have the energy to push even more. Father of Wands. And you're someone who inspires and conspires other people also to achieve their dreams and make it come true. That's really wonderful. Yeah, that really wanted to come out. 4 of Wands. I also saw 5 of Wands, I believe, during the shuffle, but it was just a very slight flash of the card. which I feel like, it's the element which is increasing, the number. Yeah, definitely the element also, because that is also wands. 4 of wands you got. The flashed card was 5 of wands, so it's kind of increasing. The element is definitely increasing of wands. This is also wands. So the reason why you won't feel drained is because you're getting some new energy which is being provided while you're thriving. So you thrive, again you recharge from that energy, again you thrive, you utilize that energy, again the energy comes to you. So it's like a cycle is what I'm saying, and it's keep increasing, it's incrementing, like 7 of Pentacles. Okay, it's like a machine which is kind of providing the energy, utilizing, getting coins, again thriving. So it's a cycle which is being repeated, and it's all in the comfort of your home. You're feeling so much comfort at your home right now. You're feeling so much relaxed, so much peaceful. You have everything sorted out is what I'm saying. So this month is definitely a very good month. You feel a lot more happier, comfortable. Wow, 2 cards came out. Surprisingly, both are major arcanas. You got 3 major arcanas as of now. The first 6 cards. You got the Devil and the Star. Such a beautiful cards to come out. Now Devil, it is your card, Capricorn. The Devil is represented as Capricorn, and definitely getting your card in the month of August. The universe is definitely with you. All the major spirit guides who are trying to help you in your life are there with you, and definitely August is a major month. You're running into a very major month in the month of August. All your karma, Devil is also karma, so all your karma will be solved and achieved at this month, August. So yeah, if you definitely do good things, you're going to get good things back. It's the law of karma. So it's the law of cause and effect. Star is also, it's written in stars, okay, that this month, August month, is definitely has to happen for your finances to grow. And Devil is something which is aligned to you already. The karma is already aligned, and this is a major period where stars are aligned for you to make your finances grow. Okay, that's really, really good, Capricorn. Such a beautiful month for you. 2 cards want to come out again, surprisingly. One is Wand, another is Swords. Mother of Wands and 2 of Swords at the same time. You got Swords energy right now. The element has changed from Wands to Swords. It's interesting to see. 2 of Swords, very important card. I'll come back to that. Mother of Wands is someone who is very caring to others, and I feel like you have been cared in the before. Someone took care of you very much. Someone understood you the way you have to be understood, and you felt happy, you felt comfortable when people understood you. It might be one person or two, many people, but you definitely felt happy that someone understood you the way they have to. Next card is 2 of Swords, and it says you have to make a major decision in the month of August. And 2 cards coming at the same time, I feel like the one who took initiative to understand and make you feel happy, I feel like they are gonna come back again and help you to make the proper decision in your life. So 2 of Swords, I feel like when you're trying to make a decision, either this or that, it might seem little uncomfortable for you to make the right decision, because it seems to be same for you and you don't know where to go. So at that moment of time, Mother of Wands, I feel like it is your mom also in this case, or someone who has that nurturing energy for you and make you feel happy and comfortable. I feel like that person, again, they're gonna come back to you and try to help you to make decisions in your life. And this decision is definitely a major decision. It can be with regards to finances or anything which with your life, okay, but definitely a major decision. Yeah. 7 of swords. I felt that number of 7 in my mind, and you got 7 of swords. You got chariot also, which is numbered 7. And you got 7 of pentacles also. Maybe because of this reason I got the psychic information of the number 7. And even before the reading starts, in my mind I was thinking the number 7. I don't know why. 7 might be definitely significant for you. This is the third card which has the number 7. So take note of that for sure. 7 of swords. Yeah, you are still kind of scared or little. Yeah, you're definitely scared and little uncomfortable to make the decision. And I feel like you want to have much more time to think about it and contemplate about it. You can see it is little scared, this fox, and it is asking for space and time. It needs to analyze by itself and to make the right decision. It's not that the person who is going to help you to make the decision is you won't. It doesn't mean that you don't trust them. It's just that you have the you're thinking that swords is the thinking, it's the mind. So you're just thinking that it is them who is going to make the decision. It is them who is going to advise me to take the decision. But you have the thinking that you yourself have to make the decision, and because you want your life to be in control of yours. It is your life, and until you get the answer by yourself, I feel like you won't feel comfortable to make that decision. The World card, major arcana. The cycle is being ended. I feel like the decision will be made eventually after a long time of high contemplation by yourself. It's not that I can't say go around and ask people, but I can tell you, if someone else is coming and advising you, listen to them, but also it's best to listen to yourself, because you know the answer much better than anyone else. That's the World card. It's the completion of a cycle. It's okay to listen if people are coming to you and advising, but also before you make the decision, you have to be confident to make it, and you have to think about it, and it's best to contemplate on yourself and get the answer by yourself and take that decision is what I definitely recommend. Because if you take the decision, once again the cycle will be closed, the doors will be closed. So before the doors are closed, you have to take the decision which door you want to go for, and cycle is ending, the World card. So before the loop is being tied up, you have to make the decision perfectly. And the Tower card is in the bottom of the deck. You definitely have that fear deep inside you. Something is throbbing you. You're striving forward to make your finances grow, and you want to achieve this comfort of your finances. You have to be financially abundant, and deep inside you want to be fulfilled from this. So you want it so badly. At the same time, you're thriving to get it, and while thriving and while making decisions and going to either left or right, while that time is coming to you, you're feeling that throttle of heart beating, and it's kind of a little painful for you. That's the Tower card. That's the bottom of the deck, deep inside. But I can assure you, Capricorn, there's nothing to worry, because you got your card. The Devil is your card. It's represented as Capricorn. And not only that, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 major arcanas in your reading, which is major. Definitely major. I feel like there's nothing to worry. Definitely your spiritual guidance is there for you, and definitely your parents are there to help you with regards to your decision, because you got Father of Wands and Mother of Wands. Both are wands, and this is father and mother. Okay, your parents are definitely gonna help you. And you got 4th house, Ketu, which represents home. and you got it as the fourth card. Fourth card, Four of Wands, which represents home. Definitely your parents are definitely there to help you with regards to making this decision, because you got this L shape. And I told one of the readings before, long back, if L shape comes, it represents love, okay? And it appears in reverse, not like the right form. It appears like a mirror, because tarot is the mirror of the moment. When L shape appears in reverse, that means love. And if you have this Father of Wands and Mother of Wands and Two of Swords like this, which forms this L in reverse, it's the mirror of the moment. Tarot is the mirror of the moment. That's why I look reverse. I told this in my before readings also. Father of Wands is here, Mother of Wands is here. And this is the Two of Swords, decision. They're going to help you with that decision. But from your side, Seven of Swords you have. You have little bit of fear whether this is right for you or no. And this is definitely normal, and this has to happen. Okay? This Seven of Swords has to happen, because later down the road, you have to be happy that you have made the right decision by yourself, right? You're going to take your time and the cycle will be ended. Okay, it's going to end and it will be tied. Okay, there's nothing to worry at all. The Tower card in bottom of the deck, for sure. Relax in the month of August. Okay, take deep breaths, relax, listen to calm music at the same time while you're working towards your finances. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. It's a beautiful reading, seeing Father of Wands and Mother of Wands come out. So much of synchronicities. The number 7 is definitely significant for you, so watch out for that. You got 17, the star. 3 times 7 has come. Okay. Yep. And if you do want to watch the reading again anytime, you can come back, watch it to get more clarity. And thank you guys for everyone for so much support. We are almost crossing 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one, Capricorn. Thank you.